had a little mishap. It was a rookie error. Guess who forgot to zip his veil up? This idiot. One of the girls got me there, just under the eye. This is about 2 days after the sting, and it's still swollen all around there. It's coming down though. Dosed up on antihistamines. I would have posted. I'd taken some photos straight after, but I was that busy dosing up on antihistamines and all the rest that it really wasn't on my mind. And once I was on the antihistamines, I was pretty out of it. I have a pretty bad reaction to bee stings, unfortunately. Not the greatest thing being a beekeeper, but yeah, these things happen. G'day everyone, Crago here. You've got to excuse my lack of voice. I've been sick for a couple of weeks. That's one of the reasons I haven't done any more videos yet, but we're in the backyard today. I've got to do a couple of beehive inspections on my beehives and reduce them down for winter. It's a little bit late. I should have been done a bit earlier in the season, but I've just been so busy and then I've been sick, so we'll get there in the end. And I've got my little helper here today, Lachlan, helping me. He's in his bee suit, ready to go. We're all mic'd up. I'm going to get the smoker started and we'll get stuck into it. Cheers. There we go. Chuck a few more in on the top.
Looks like liquid nitrogen.
It does a little bit, doesn't it? There we go. That's what we want. So it'll give us a nice cool smoke and it'll be ready to go. Puff at the entrance. Let's have a look at that. Hive mat's done its job. All those small hive beetles caught. That's good. And all this hive mat was a bit of vinyl flooring that you lay on top. And I just, with a wire brush, I scour up the fabric sort of backing.
Doesn't Aiden have one of them too?
Hive tool, yeah.
Oh, is that all honey?
Yeah, it's only honey one side. So what we've got to do here, we've got to pull this super off completely, because over winter you want to reduce the size down.
That side's full of honey.
That's pretty good, yeah. We've got to reduce the hive size down so the bees don't have to work as hard to maintain the temperature. Right, come around this side of me, mate. And you can take that, put it into the tub. Just lay it against one side and come straight back, because this one needs to go in too. They're nice frames of honey, happy with those. Not completely full, but they're fully capped, which is what we want. So they'll go back in the other one. Let's pull this box off and go down to the next box. With a bit of luck, we'll find a couple of full frames.
No, just that second frame. It was so good.
So all this extra wax will get melted down. Yeah, maybe candles. We might make candles one day, make a video on candles.
What else could we make with wax?
We can make lip balm. These bees are pretty chill compared to the other hive, which is nice. At the moment anyway. You see how aggravated they get when I start pulling frames out of this box.
Not really landing on you. There's one on your elbow.
So,
Shoulder. And why the tree on the back of your head?
that's all right. Now, thank you. So just slide the trap in there.
You're not going to get the trap until you actually need it.
Oh, that's a good frame. That's what we're looking for. Look at that. Beautiful. Like, about yeah, that one can go. Righto. That'll do us. Oh. I just got stung on the eye. I don't think I zipped my bee suit up. Let's get out of here. Oh shit. So what actually happened was I was busy getting my son all zipped up in his bee suit and getting cameras on and set up to film, and I just forgot to zip the veil up. That second hive I did got quite aggressive. The first hive was fine. They were nice and placid, which was great. The second hive, halfway through, well, I'm nearly finishing putting them back together, they started to get a bit toey, even with the smoke. And they were banging on my veil, having a go at me, and I felt one. I heard one actually buzzing inside, and I felt it crawl up my neck. I thought, oh shit, I'm in trouble here. And then it came around on my cheek, and I felt it crawl up there, and I've just grabbed it as it stung me, and I managed to dispatch it, so to speak. But it had already stung me there, and yeah, the rest is history. So lesson learned. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes. I'm all right, but it's a bit disappointing. Cheers.